So let's get started with manual cooking in the iCombi Classic. With the iCombi Classic and manual cooking, you have a choice of choosing from the left-hand side at the top, our steaming icon, on the right-hand side, our convection or hot air icon, and in the middle, a combination of both. With the steaming icon, you can select the steaming process, you can adjust the time that you might be cooking for. The humidity at the top is always 100%, we can't reduce or change it while steaming. The temperature, which is our second icon down, will default to our boiling point but can be reduced for sous vide or gently steamed items and increase for high temperature steaming. If we want to select our boiling point, then we can choose our time or core temperature. So with the time, if I increase and keep turning the dial clockwise, you'll notice I'll get a clock symbol which signals continuous operation of the device. If I push that time icon again, I can switch to using the internal core temperature and then select my desired core temperature of the item that I might be cooking. On the display, you'll also see what the current core temperature is, as well as your desired core temperature. On the bottom left-hand side, we have additional functions where we can use our preheating cycle, our cooling down function. We can adjust our fan speed simply by pushing and using the dial. And then we have our Delta cooking function for gentle and slow cooked braised dishes. As we move through to alternate functions, if I move through to Combi Steam, you can see it remains the same. I just now have the ability to change the humidity level from 0 through to 100%. Same when I move to convection or hot air, we can change that humidity from 100%, which is the default, extracting humidity out right down to 0%, for getting good coloration on grilled items and good crackling on your pork roast. And that's how we do manual cooking with the iCombi Classic.